Hi, to do factory reset on your Marshall Miner 4 as a first step, let me explain to you what does the factory reset means. So this means that we'll reset all of the user settings, we'll just bring everything back to their defaults. So we'll factory reset everything and we will need to set it up our earbuds with the phone once more. So to do factory reset, we will need to put back both earbuds in the charging case first, but do not close it, just take a look at its bottom part. Here you will find this black button which we need to hold, so this front indicator will light up purple. This will take about 10 seconds. Don't close the case, just hold the button. I'm gonna hold it, and now the indicator is blinking blue. We are waiting for the purple color. And now it is purple, so we can release the button. At this point, we can close the case. And now we would need to remove this device from the Bluetooth list on the phone and from the Marshall Bluetooth app. For that, go in the phone settings. Here, select Bluetooth. And from here, you would need to tap the button for Get Device. And here as well. Now, if you wanna reconnect them with the same phone, you'll need to disable Bluetooth for a couple of seconds, turn it on again, then open the case, and after that, the indicator will be blinking blue, meaning that they are ready to be paired. So when we factory resetted them, they automatically went into a pairing mode after that. This is great, so we just need to find our Miner 4 in the list of other devices, tap on it, and now it is connected and we can see it in the Tap My Devices. Also go in this app, select Remove this device, then Forget, and now we would need to pair them with app again. So tap Pair button, here tap Add New Device, and after that you would need to find your Marshall Miner 4 in this list, but don't close the case. And here they are. We just need to tap the set button and wait a couple of seconds till it is loading, and we can tap this white button. And now we can tap continue. Here check some on-screen instructions as usual and just tap get started. And now they are reconnected with the app also. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.